so we got this the big one with a baby board.
And I want to take the deluxe, get some good
Oh
shots
yeah,
of that.
because we haven't got a shot of the table. We just need really one of each, right? The baby, the big board, the table, umbrella. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and load this. All right, cool. All right, there you go.
I'll let Robert know we're on the way.
Sounds good. The original concept came from my wife was in the pool and she was coming to get her drink and she sat, it was an above ground pool, so she sat her drink on the side of it. And I was just outside the pool and she's like, oh, I need my drink. And she started to come and get it. So I was like, oh no, hold on. I've got an idea here, because just outside the pool was this little kickboard, child's kickboard, looked like a shark, small. I'm like, I'm gonna give that to you in style. So I picked her little stemless wine tumbler up, sat it on the little board that had a shark face on it, and I pushed it to her in the water, and I started singing to the baby shark, beverage shark, and everybody thought it was funny. So, but that moment is where I was like, huh, this could have some potential. That's pretty stable. It was just a little tiny thing, but that literally was the idea in that moment was born. With Cocktail Kickboards, we feel that what sets them apart from a lot of stuff on the market, first and foremost, they work really well. We feel like the design is unique, the look is unique. So it's the main board, the one that has 3 cup holders and the accessory hub. We also have what we call a baby board, which is a miniature version. Those are our 2 core products. Outside of that, we have some accessories that we create, a table and a shade umbrella. So the functionality, the versatility of all the products, another factor that sets them apart. This is like the first working prototype of Cocktail Kickboards. Early on, we designed them by hand cutting everything, whether it was an electric knife or just literally a bread knife, cutting shapes out. We were gluing them together, literally gluing pieces together, cutting it out after that. We come to find out after researching it and talking with the adhesive provider that even if you use the most expensive glue possible, pool chemicals are going to eat away at it over time. And to us, we didn't want to have a product out there that was falling apart. So if we want to go into an injection mold, we like that 2-tone look. That's not possible. So at that point, we knew not only are we going to commit to the product, but we also are going to do it using a CNC machine.
When we decided to do CNC, me and Troy both started looking. We tried to find a company in the US, and we came across ShopBot. They had a size that would work for us because we're starting off in a garage.
The real thing that stuck out to us was that ShopBot offered a subscription. And what that meant was, okay, you don't have to commit to buying this machine long term. So instead, you get the machine for a few months. You can learn the machine, you can learn your product, you can create it, get it out there, adjust, make changes. That was a huge benefit.
The use of the CNC just lets you try out all kinds of different ideas. We wanted to create an umbrella stand with scrap pieces that would fit into our center hub. A rope comes out the bottom. Take your umbrella and put it in. The ability of the CNC to just let us try out these ideas is amazing.
I had enough experience on different design software where I created the original design and we could get the cut path to load into the machine, but doing all that was new to us. So that was another aspect that was nice. When we got the unit, other engineers gave us pointers on maybe you want to cut it with a down bit or an up bit or an up cut. So they have provided us with a lot of different useful information ranging from not just how to use the machine, but what tools to use to cut your product to get the best look. And we knew that, at that point, that ShopBot was the option we were going to go with.